Oh my God. I hiked all the way up here. Sharktooth Mountain. Sharktooth Mountain is what it's called. That's what it says there. I hiked up this whole mountain for the sake of this vlog. I want to try to capture some other stuff here. This is Hart Park, Bakersfield, California, on the outskirts. Literally in the middle of nowhere. I'm up here by myself, so hopefully nothing jumps out at me. So today we're going to talk about backing up our photos. Because in my Facebook group that I'm in, creative photography, a girl did a photo shoot, about 200 bucks or whatever, but she lost all her photos and didn't back it up. How could you? Alright, so as most of you know, I'm real big on data backup and things like that. And I even made a video on how to do it, how to make your own external hard drive. And the importance of backing up your stuff is if you want to come back to it later. And in the girl's case that I mentioned earlier, you got money tied up in this kind of thing. If you lose that, you lose your money, you lose out on your bills, you lose out on all that kind of stuff. So I want to show you what I have and the process that I go through whenever I'm doing a photo shoot or even doing these vlogs on how I back up my data. Alright, so first, the laptop. I got a laptop because I'm traveling everywhere. I'm doing different photo shoots, going different places, so I can't really lug my desktop around. And I have a tablet, but it just doesn't do what I need it to do. So the first thing you should do really is invest in a good laptop. This is my iMac. I'm not really an Apple guy, but I got it for cheap. I rebuilt it and all that. So invest in the laptop first. And the second item is an external hard drive. Now this one I made my own because I'm a computer guy, you all know that. And I just had some old hard drives laying around, and all I did was buy an enclosure, which I'll open up for you. If I can slide it off, there we go. And all an external hard drive is, it's an enclosure with the hard drive in it. That's it. You guys are going paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for these things, and you can make your own. This whole enclosure was $10. I had an old hard drive, stuck it in there, external hard drive, and it's USB 3.0. So once you invest in those two things, at least, if you're a traveler like me, what you're gonna do is just plug in your external hard drive and dump all your content onto the external hard drive. And if you have enough space on your laptop, put it on the laptop as well. So you're gonna have a backup of a backup of a backup. So it's almost a guarantee you're not gonna lose any data or any files like that. And always be sure to catalog if you're using Lightroom, and name your folders and keep everything nice and tidy so everything's easy to get to. Like, one thing I hate is when people have like a bunch of folders all over the desktop, and it's like, what is this crap? You're never gonna get organized like that. You never can run a successful business being disorganized like that. Alright, so to recap, when you're on your photo shoot, video shoot, or whatever you're doing, have your laptop out, have your external hard drive, and when you're done with your session, back it up immediately. Because you don't want to run into any problems and you don't want to lose any footage. And again, the external hard drive that I made, if you have any hard drives laying around or you can bum one off someone, all you have to do is get a external hard drive enclosure. It's going to save you a lot of money from buying it at Best Buy or Fry's Electronics or wherever you guys go to. It's just a lot easier to do, and you can swap them out if need be. So it's an external hard drive enclosure. The one I have, I'll link to it in the description. It takes the laptop hard drive, the smaller, the 2.5 inch, but they do have the one for the 3.5 inch, the regular desktop one that's about that big, that you can just put in there and dump all your files on it. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to smash that like button if that's what you're into. Leave a comment, any questions you have, and I'll see you next time.